This tree didn't become a bonsai in a day. It happened in stages. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that process unfolds.
Every bonsai starts out as potential, not a finished tree, not even close. What you're really looking for is structure, movement, possibility. At this stage, you're not styling. You're selecting a future.
So I managed to find this excellent specimen to start with. It's got beautiful aerial roots, nice curved trunk, and even some character, a nice accent that we see in the trunk here. Alright, so we're going to take it out of our nursery pot, this plastic round nursery pot, and we'll just remove our excess soil. The old organic soil from the root ball.
Repotting isn't about making it look better. It's about setting the tree up to grow stronger. This is where bonsai actually starts, below the surface in the roots of the tree. First, I'll lay down a drainage layer of pure lava rock, and then place the tree into the training pot, making sure that the apex is straight. We'll pack in our new soil.
Work in the new soil with a chopstick a little bit just to remove any air bubbles and work it into the new root system.
And then finally replace the layer of fertilizer on top. Then we'll quickly trim our foliage just so we can see the branches that we're wiring.
Usually a little bit longer than the length of the branch is a good length.
So we'll go ahead and apply our wire to our first primary branch.
Go ahead and bend it gradually so that we don't apply too much pressure and snap it.
This is where the tree begins to take direction. You're not focusing on details yet, just main structure, trunk line, primary branches, and overall movement. Think of it like building a frame. Everything else will come later.
Get a good length of wire.
Our next branch is rather young and easy to bend, so we'll use the 1mm gauge wire.
and get to these secondary branches now. So we have our primary and then secondary. So we're going to use, again, those same 1mm gauge wire that I used for this one over here. The branches are about the same thickness. I'm going to open this one up a little bit more and make it a pad so it's flat with the other branches. The idea is to create pads of foliage. We have nice little pockets.
Going to remove this stump of dead wood so we have a clear path to wire our top branch.
Alright, so we've cleaned that part up a little bit and now we've made room to really shape our apex. So we'll finish shaping this next primary branch and then we'll work on our apex.
Get a good length of 1.5mm gauge wire for our apex. And of course we want to make sure we're careful not to wrap the wire over the smaller branches.
We're going to clean up some of these branches. Here we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take off this middle one.
And once our tree recovers, we come back in.
And what we're going for here is we're going for a more compact shape with our tree. We want these branches to come up so we get tighter paths to our foliage. Before we wire these outer branches is do some cleanup on the tree. And we'll remove the undergrowth. So this secondary branch needs to come up to be flat to create the alternating pattern for the branches. One on this side, one on this side, one on this side. That way our branches alternate, and then we're going to make all of them go curve up, just as they do on this bottom branch here. All right, just a little bit of 1mm gauge wire.
Now you're refining. Secondary branches, tertiary structure, balance. This is where the design starts to feel intentional. The apex of the tree brings everything together. It defines the direction, the flow, the identity of the tree. Small changes here make a huge difference. And this is where we are for now, because bonsai is never really finished. If you want to understand bonsai at a deeper level, not just styling but the process behind it, make sure to subscribe.